Alrighty, petters. Welcome to Double Club Diesel. I'm Dean, the Double Club Diesel fella. And today we are at the shop. We're at work because the old mobile welding rig extraordinaire Brockway parts take apart or mobile toolbox is down for the count. Lost the lift pump when I was driving it the other night, and lift pump is on the way, but I got the truck back to my house, not over to the garage where the Brockway is. So we're at work to try and keep moving along on the goal of getting my Brockway to a truck show at the end of the month. And in order to do that, I need to make sure that the truck is breathing clean air. And can't get clean air when it's got rust holes. So this is what we got going on. I have a ratchet strap holding it on. I'm going to cut it here, down here, around there, and then up the other side. Cut these tabbies off, replace it all, weld it, put new lip in there, and we're going to have a new air box. The only unfortunate thing is the steel. Any steel I use is probably just going to be. It's just not going to be chrome. This used to be chrome at one point, so that's a major bummer. But what are you going to do, you know? So someday maybe I'll sandblast it after it's all welded up and I'll chrome it. But just hang out and maybe we'll get it done today. I hope so. That'd be cool. We got it all welded up. Don't look at that. That just goes on the bottom anyways. There was just a lot of crap down in there I couldn't clean. So it's a lot of porosity, but you know, take me around to the porosity where the welds are green and I don't know. Anyhow, I used to want to be a singer, huh? But yeah, we got her all up welded. Now I'm going to take angle iron and put it in here for the lip of the actual air filter. We're gonna blow it out, clean it, and then cuckoo, she'll be bolted back on the truck, and the truck will be breathing nice, clean air. How about that? Alrighty, better, check it out. It is a brand new, rebuilt, original airbox for a Brockway. I'll show you what took so long on it. It doesn't quite fit perfectly yet, but it will here soon. I'll massage it and clean it all up at my place tomorrow. But this is what we got. And that is where the air filter sits. And that's a wrap on that one. Alrighty, fellas and petterers. I figured before I'd wrap this video up, I was going to show you how this filter goes in. So it just kind of pushes right in there. It doesn't fit perfectly right now, because I didn't have this filter when I was making it, but I'll just massage it in there and it'll be as good as new. And then this piece goes on over it. And this filter number, it's a Napa. You can get them at Napa, even though it's from 1972. It is a excuse me, $25.91. And it just kind of sits in there and push her down, and cuckoo, you get breathable air for the old triple nickel. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's our wrap for the old air cleaner box, huh?